What if one cruise suite costs more per night than a luxury car? Regent Seven Seas just dropped the Skyview Regent Suite on their 2026 Prestige ship, and it starts at $25,000 to $27,000 a night. Stick around, because this isn't just big, it's history-making.
All right, let's count it down. From the incredible basics all the way to the jaw-dropping details that make this $27,000 a night Skyview Regent Suite the most talked about suite in cruising history. We're going from 10 to 1, and trust me, number 1 is wild.
First up at number 10, the size. This isn't a suite. This is a two-level private residence floating on the ocean. At nearly 8,800 square feet, the Skyview Regent Suite is officially the largest all-inclusive ultra-luxury suite ever built on a cruise ship. To put that in perspective, that's bigger than many luxury penthouses in New York or London. You get two full decks stacked right on top of the ship with sweeping 360-degree views. It's so massive that it literally crowns the Prestige like a crown jewel.
Number 9. The balcony game is ridiculous. You're looking at more than 3,700 square feet of private outdoor space with a full wraparound design. That's bigger than most people's entire apartments. Imagine sipping champagne while the ship glides through the Mediterranean or Caribbean with nothing but ocean and horizon in every direction. There are multiple seating areas, alfresco dining spots, and loungers where you can actually live outside if you want. No fighting for deck chairs here. This is your personal resort terrace in the sky.
Number 8. Coming in at number 8. Yes, it has its own private in-suite elevator. Because why walk up a single flight of stairs when you can glide between levels like you're in a billionaire's mansion? This elevator connects the living areas to the bedroom level effortlessly. It's one of those small details that screams, "We thought of everything." Number 7. Sleeping arrangements fit for royalty. The Skyview Regent Suite features two spacious bedrooms, each with king-sized beds, premium linens, and blackout curtains, so you can sleep like a baby even during a stormy Atlantic crossing. One bedroom can even convert into a private office or additional lounge if you're traveling with a small entourage. Total capacity is designed for up to 4 guests in pure comfort. At number 6, the bathrooms. 2 full marble bathrooms plus a powder room, all with heated floors, rain showers, deep soaking tubs, and vanity areas that look like they belong in a 5-star resort spa. The master bathroom alone feels like a personal wellness retreat with double vanities and ocean views while you get ready.
Number 5. Your own private gym and sauna. Most cruise ships make you share a tiny fitness center. Here, you have a dedicated workout space with high-end equipment and a private sauna right inside your suite. Start your day with a sweat session while watching the sunrise over the sea. No lines, no sharing, total privacy.
Number 4. The social spaces. A massive living room with plush sofas, a grand piano option, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Then there's a formal dining room that seats up to 8 or more. You can host intimate dinner parties with your personal butler serving course after course while the ocean drifts by outside. Number 3. This one is exclusive even among the elite. The Skyview Regent Suite is the only accommodation on the entire ship with direct private access to The Study, a stunning 12-person private dining room reserved just for these guests. Imagine having your own secret high-end restaurant on board that no one else can touch.
Number 2. The perks. Because it's Regent, everything is already all-inclusive. Unlimited shore excursions, business class flights, gratuities, Wi-Fi, fine wines, premium spirits, Michelin-level dining across multiple restaurants, and 24/7 butler service. But for Skyview guests, they take it even further with personalized experiences, priority everything, and that feeling that the entire ship is there to serve you.
It's the most expensive and most exclusive suite in cruise history. And the number one reason everyone's talking about the Skyview Regent Suite on Regent Seven Seas Prestige 2026, the price and the exclusivity.
starting at around $25,000 per night and going up to $27,000 or more depending on the sailing. This is the priciest suite ever offered in ultra-luxury cruising. It sold out on 6 of the first 13 inaugural sailings in a single day. Only a handful of people on the planet will ever experience it. It's not just a room, it's a statement. A floating palace that redefines what luxury at sea actually means. From the private elevator to the sauna, the endless balcony, and that jaw-dropping price tag, the Skyview Regent Suite isn't trying to compete with other cruise suites. It's in a completely different league.
So there you have it, the Regent Seven Seas Prestige 2026 and its headline-grabbing Skyview Regent Suite that costs up to $27,000 a night. Whether you'll ever step foot inside it or not, it's fascinating to see just how far luxury cruising has come. If you're dreaming of your own Regent experience, maybe a more accessible suite, drop a comment below with which sailing you'd love to do. Caribbean, Mediterranean, or one of those epic transatlantic crossings. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury travel breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one, where we might just compare this to other crazy expensive suites at sea. Safe travels, everyone.